up? In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this unit right here. So if you want to know all the specs on this unit, just stay tuned. Alright y'all, so just a quick disclaimer, this is going to be a very short video because it is stupid hot in my house right now. It got hot out of nowhere outside, so I had to turn down the central air, and it's taking it a minute to catch up, and it's hot as hell sitting in front of this ring light and in this shirt. I don't have anything really bad to say about this unit anyway, so it's going to be a short video regardless. So let's just start out by addressing the name of this unit. So this is a main concept red carpet wig. This is the Trendy Girl 01 unit, and I got her in the color FM Royal Blue, which obviously is this beautiful blue color, and then it's got just these two light blue streaks in the front. So as you can see on the stock card, Lil Baby had bumped ends, and to keep it a buck with you guys, I wasn't feeling it. It like, with the bumped ends, it came up to like right here, and it just looked really odd for the length that this wig is, and it just wasn't me. So I was like, baby, it's gotta go. I had seen this wig on DiablaVerde's channel. I'll probably leave her video down below. Her video is the one that convinced me to buy this wig because I liked the Mina wig. That's the pink one going around with the blonde streaks in the front. I liked it, but I didn't like how long the wig was. The texture didn't look the way I wanted it to look, and I wasn't sure about that color. So when DiablaVerde came out with this video with this wig on, I was like, Lord, this is the one. I have been waiting to try dark blue hair and light blue hair for the longest. I've just been waiting for the perfect synthetic wig, and what do y'all know, this has both colors. So I was like, so like I said, this came with bumped ends, but I straightened them. After straightening the ends, this is what they look like now. As you can see, they're still slightly bumped. I didn't like make it bone straight, but it's still cute. So in the front, it falls, I would say this is about 18 inches. The back doesn't touch my butt. It's like waist length on me. So it's about 18 inches. At first when the ends were bumped, I was like, this wig is entirely too short. Like, I don't like the length at all. But now that I've straightened it, I think the length is perfect. Like, I feel like if this wig was a tad longer, it'd be okay, but nothing shorter than this. So the texture is a light yucky, I would say. I had to go in and straighten this wig, like I said, so the texture is a bit more silkier now. It's not completely silky, so it tangles, but not too crazy. This did shed right out of the pack, and it's still shedding, but again, it's nothing too crazy. It is bearable. When it does shed is mainly when I'm like playing in it or combing it out, and it is to be expected from a synthetic unit. So I did go in and pluck the part. The part, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, is a little janky because I should have did it on a mannequin head and I didn't. I just, you know, was rushing, so it is a little crooked, but it doesn't look too bad. I just gotta pluck right in here a little bit. This wig came with plenty of baby hairs, okay? I did not even lay half of them. The rest of them I just used my wand curler to lay them back into the light blue streaks so that you cannot see them. But if you're a huge fan of baby hairs, you're just gonna love this wig because it comes with baby hairs all over the front. This is a lace front wig, by the way, with just the one part. So the baby hair is all over the lace front. I am in love with this freaking color. Like, they did a beautiful job. The Vella Vella Mina wig was really cute. Like, that pink and blonde color was cute, but they didn't come out with more colors, so it was just kind of like, for me. So as you can see here, they have the pink wig, there's like a rose color, then they have like red, the blue that I have on, a walnut color, and a 350. So the fact that they have more options is like, ooh. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that walnut color because that's super cute. So as you can see here, they've got more color options, and we love options, baby. I ordered the wig from ebonyline.com for 38 bucks. If not, I will put it up on the screen, but I'm pretty sure it was $38 and change, and then shipping was only $4.99 since my order was over $30. So yeah, anywhere you go though, the wig is about 35 to 40 bucks. I do think that this wig is worth every penny because it's so well constructed. The cap is a basic cap construction, but if you have a small head, you can definitely wear this hair. If you have a big head, you can definitely fit your head in here because my head is huge and I fit it in here with all of my hair. Color on this wig is the best part of this wig. The color is just so different and it's so freaking cute. The texture on the wig is amazing. I'm not a huge fan of super silky wigs, so the fact that it's like a light yaki is bomb, so that way it'll last a little longer. There's baby hairs literally all over the front of the unit. I just feel like the wig is definitely worth every single penny, guys. This wig is so worth it. Like I said, I don't have any major complaints. Yes, it sheds a bit, it tangles a little bit, but it's synthetic. Like, what can you possibly expect? Those are my only two complaints, and that's just about with any synthetic wig that you can buy on the market. If you're into colors, you will definitely love this wig. It comes with so many color options, guys, and it's super affordable. So this wig, I'm telling you, I don't know if it's coming off shiny on camera because my ring light, the luster on this unit is super natural. It has like a slight shine to it, but it looks like a natural shine. It also looks like human hair, y'all. It looks like someone really dyed a human hair wig. This literally mimics human hair in person. So bomb. I called a couple of my friends, they love it. They also said it looks like human hair. I'm super happy I got my hands on this wig. This wig is absolutely perfect, you guys. Like, I don't know what else to tell you guys. Like, if you're looking for a cute straight wig with some nice color, baby girl, this is it. Make sure you go check this wig out. I will leave the link down below in the description box for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.